Today I'll be teaching you how I transform this haircut from this to this. Let's get started. First, start with no clipper guard and the lever fully closed. Let's go. Create your barb line by cutting around the head. Stopping at the middle section. Next, open the lever fully and create your second guard line evenly around the head. Now bring the lever halfway closed and begin fading out the first guard line to soften the transition. After that, attach your guard number 1, open the lever fully and start blending the hair into the afro to begin forming your 3-step punk. Then close the lever and carefully fade out the second guard line. Once that's done, open the lever again and blend everything smoothly into the punk to properly define the 3 steps. Now remove the guard, open the lever and detail the fade, focusing on any dark spots to achieve a clean blend. Finally, you now move on to the line up to sharpen the haircut and bring everything together. And there you have it, a clean 3-step fade. If you learned something today, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more barber tutorials. Thanks.